Some foods are simply meant to be together. This oven-roasted, supernatural tomato soup is a match made in heaven with my superior grilled cheese. They're both fast and flavorful. To kick off the soup, 1 can of simple diced tomatoes will do. Strain and save the juice. Some pepper, a little salt, hit it with olive oil, cumin, and Italian herbs. And for an oven roasting partner, coarsely chopped garlic. Roast at 450 degrees for about 20 minutes to develop some awesome flavors. Meanwhile, heat some basic olive oil and cook chopped onions, carrots, and celery, including the leaves. Introduce some salt. After 10 minutes, add water, the reserved tomato juice, 1 bay leaf, and butter. Cook for a while longer until all the veggies are soft. Remove the bay leaf and puree until smooth. Time to grill cheese, the perfect partner for tomato soup. Preheat a skillet and butter whole wheat bread. Toss in shredded cheese and bring on the bread. Some cheddar cheese, and spread softened cream cheese on the other half. When it's golden and the cheese is crispy, repeat to cheese the other side. Cook until done and cheese is melted. The best way to avoid burning your grilled cheese is to know your burner and your pan and to cook it low and slow. Warm, creamy, homemade tomato soup paired with grilled cheese. These two are a perfect pair, a killer combination that's hard to beat. Thank you for joining me. Tune in next time and I'll teach you how to make something else.